Now that school is back in session, your child might need a little extra help when it comes to subjects like math. This is Lynette Groves and Lindsay Grant of Mathnasium, and they're here to show you how to build a stronger math-skilled student. Good to see both of you.
Thanks for having us.
All right, so what is Mathnasium?
Mathnasium is a math-only learning center where kids come after school to work out their math skills.
So this is a customized plan for each student, or do you teach everyone on the same level?
It is customized for each student. The first step is to give the kids an assessment. We find out what they know, what they don't know, customize a learning plan for them. So for some kids it might be that we are trying to catch up, some it might be that they're getting ahead.
Okay, so in the summertime a lot of kids just kind of sit in front of the TV, they're not doing a whole lot of math. Do you see a surge in folks enrolling right now?
Yes, right now is the go-to time. It's the time to get back in and get caught up with school.
So why does it seem like a lot of kids get very frightened by math, and some of them say, I can't stand math? Why is that? Why do you think there's such a disconnect sometimes?
I think that math can be intimidating for a lot of kids. It could be that it was a bad experience in school, or some kids are afraid to speak up and ask questions. So it could be in many different things, but by customizing it for what they need, giving them special one-on-one instruction just for them, it gives them the confidence.
And I've been inside one of your learning centers, and I tell you, this truly is a one-on-one lesson for these students. Some of them just need that extra light bulb, that extra push to come on, right?
Yes, they do.
So tell us how you do that.
So when they're in our center, we're giving them one-on-one instruction. They are able to ask us questions, but we're also able to reinforce what we're teaching. We teach it in a way that makes sense to them, but we also are there for them that if they don't understand something, we are able to slow down and take the time with it.
All right, so Lindsay, come on over here.
Right.
You've brought an example of what Mathnasium does, percentages. And of course, when we talk about math, percentages is one of the things that a lot of kids go, oh.
Absolutely.
So show us how you do it and how you make it simple.
Definitely. So a big thing we want to do is empower kids to understand math, and a really simple way to do that is to understand the words we use in math. So percent, it has two parts. The per means for each, and the cent means 100, like centipede, centimeter, cents, and a dollar. So when you have a math problem that's saying what is 7% of 300, you're trying to figure out, you can think of it as there's 7 for each 100. So there's 300, that's 3 100. So I need 7 3 times. So 7 times 3 is 21. Exactly. So then you can go to other numbers like 250. You need 8. There's 2 complete 100s, and 50 is half of 100. So you need half of 8, which is 4. So 8 2 times is 16, plus 4 more is 20.
Oh, there you go. Well, that was pretty simple. And it starts with breaking down the word.
Absolutely.
And Lynette, when you see these students really kind of achieve this and get it, what kind of grades are they seeing? I mean, can imagine it can improve in other levels of their academic education as well.
It does. Actually, we did have a student at one time at one of our centers who was struggling in all areas, not just math, but that confidence from getting the help in math translated into her other classes, and she ended up being an A student.
Oh, wow. And parents, I'm sure, are like, thank you, because we don't want to hold our kids back. We want to propel them forward.
Exactly.
Well, this was a very simple way of doing it. Ladies, thank you so much. Great, great information. Mathnasium does have a special offer for Sonoran Living Live viewers. You can get an assessment and 2 one-hour sessions for just $39. They have 12 Valley locations. To find the Mathnasium nearest you, go to mathnasium.com.